Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to see your TikTok account password if you already forgot it. Don't waste your time. Let's get started. First of all, open your mobile phone and tap on your Google account. Just wait for loading and then tap on top right corner just your Google account profile and tap on manage your Google account and then just scroll down and see here password manager. Tap on here and scroll down, just select your apps and make sure your pattern lock or skin lock, then continue. Now see here your TikTok password. If you have need to copy your TikTok password, so tap on this. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video. Thank you.